Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Roblox app and make sure you are signed in to your account. Then tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the Roblox app, then scroll down a little until you see the Settings button. Tap on it to open your Roblox settings. Once you're on the settings page, look for the security option and tap on it. Here, you'll find the two-step verification option. If you have the email option enabled for two-step verification, then simply select this None option. A pop-up will appear warning you that disabling two-step verification will make your account less secure and that you'll only need your password to log in. If you're sure, click Confirm. Roblox will then send a verification code to your email. Open your email account, retrieve the code, enter it in the box, and tap Verify. Once that's done, the two-step verification will be disabled, and that's it. So that is how you can turn off two-step verification on Roblox. So that's all for this video. Thanks.